This is how to solve by grouping. So first you take the first two terms and find the greatest common factor, which is x squared. So you take out an x squared and you're left with x plus 4. And then the greatest common factor for the second half of the equation is 2. And then you're left with x plus 4. And so you combine those two terms and you get x squared plus 2 and x plus 4. Okay, now for a harder problem. There's two variables, and the greatest common factor for the first two terms is 5x. So you take a 5x out, and you're left with 7y minus 1. And then for the second half of the equation, you take out a negative 8, and you're left with 7y minus 1. And when you combine those, you get 5x minus 8 and 7y minus 1. Okay, the last problem. The first two terms have a 56a in common, so you take 56a out, and you're left with 4z plus c. The second half of the equation has a negative 21 in common, and then you're left with 4z plus c. Okay, after that, you combine those terms, minus 21 and 4z plus c. But the first equation, or term, has a 7 in common, so you need to take a 7 out, and you're left with 8a minus 3. And then you have 4z plus c left over. That's all.